I think joining the MBA has prepared me further for my future. Just like getting me submersed, with more people that I wouldn't have met if I didn't do the MBA. Also, it's kind of outside of the norms. Instead of just getting your undergrad, pursuing your career a little further within your education, I think stands out to your employers. The professors and the staff here genuinely care. I know getting an MBA can seem intimidating or like it might be hard. You don't want to really pursue something that you're not too sure about. And there's never been a time where I felt like I couldn't really rely on going to my professors and they genuinely want to be there to help you. With the support that Missouri State has to offer, I think it's a good reason or more of a reason to want to come to Missouri State for your MBA or any graduate program at that. I think people should come to the open house for the benefit of just, getting more knowledge on the programs, whether you want to be in the MBA, whether you want to do the accountancy program, cybersecurity. And if you can't come to one, you should always try to come to the other one as well, no matter which programs you are deciding to do. The fees are going to be waived, so you won't have to pay that $55 just for applying. And there's going to be people there to help you, give you any tips or inside knowledge that you might want to know about. And I think it's just a really beneficial event just to find out more information.